Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So again, if you're joining here with me, appreciate if you can tap a one for me to ensure my sound and screen is working. All right. If not, just a quick disclaimer over here. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on this discussion this morning, make sure your own trading plan. If not, get advice from professional. All right. So, looks like markets is a little bit active lah. So some of the stock actually taking turns to make some movement. Okay, so this morning, of course, Sun is still one of the strongest one among all. No pullback at all after the reversal. Very strong. Hopefully, the rest of Sun related counters. Okay, they are actually will make the same movement as well. So probably I will start with Sun over here. All right. So okay. Let me just sign in first. Okay, we're gonna start with Sun first. So let's say Sun is one of the strongest one, okay, lately, okay, in KLC Bursa. Actually, I'm waiting for some pullback, but it didn't happen. I'm sure we just break out. So today continue, okay, trying to cross the yesterday high as well. So now let's look into the rest of the company, okay, that's related to Sun as well, to see whether is there any stocks that actually is so-called got chance or not, okay, to make a similar movement, okay. But okay, of course, over here we don't have the EV subsectors, so probably I need to check one by one by myself already. So okay, I think the closest one would be Solar West. Okay, let's try Solar West. Actually, personally, I'm in Solar West. Hopefully, they will break up strongly, but today still like that. Okay, very low volume. Okay, let's see how it goes. But I still feel that Solar West definitely got a chance. Okay, to try to change the R1 again. Okay, the other one is Sunview, but I don't think they actually very strong. Overall, it's very big, so that's why I avoided as well. Okay, so this is the other one that actually SCSG. I also forgot its name actually. Okay, SDCG, right? If not mistaken. A new IPO counter, I forgot. Okay, so this one also, but this is a big shooting star over here. So probably need to take note. So far, I still think that, of course, some of them making some movement already. I think Solar West, hopefully, they will pick up very, very soon. Okay, so let's try SciPark. Okay, SciPark actually heading to a pullback. Not too bad, actually. But the pullback have to complete. Hopefully, they will touch the 20 MA. Okay, this is actually a nice hammer. Okay, a nice hammer. Okay, so if let's say they touch 20 MA somewhere around the hammer area, I think it's good as well. Okay, for us to monitor for SciPark. Okay, so right now I don't see any weakness at the top. Okay, in fact we have this so-called the pullback candles. Lots of pullback signals from here, but some of them actually is quite far away. All right, so this is some of the so-called a good support area. Okay, for us to focus. Okay, where will be the next pullback might happen. Okay, so probably around this area over here. All right, so there's a quick one for SciPark. Okay, now let's start back again with some of the KLCI indices. Today mostly in green. Okay, looks like not too bad for today. Okay, mostly today is in green. Okay, let's try FBM KLCI first. But it's not a very super green. So again, everything's still okay. Yesterday actually hit the 1600 level. Okay, let me just put it here. Yesterday actually hit 1600 level. Crucial level. Okay, crucial level. If let's say break, I think market will be quite bearish already. Okay, if let's say break, market will be very bearish. Okay, so again, for those who feel that this is not right timing, yes, avoid first. Okay, like for me also, I don't really simply enter right now. If I enter, I will calculate my potential risk. Okay, short term target profits. Okay, 5% or maybe to R1. Okay, so this is basically something that I'm doing right now. Okay, so let's say this one break 1600, maybe it will retry somewhere around here, 1580 level already. Okay, so that's why yeah, be extra careful, okay, because this is a bit similar like so-called the inverse pullback patterns, okay, for FBM KLCI. All right. Okay. Any other stocks? Any stocks you want me to look into? Okay. If yes, probably we'll take a look into some stocks. Okay. If not, I just going to look into some of the pullback stocks from this morning. Okay. Just going to go through some of the stocks we do talk about. MSM yesterday also a bit so-called a bit shaky already. Okay. I also watching my stop loss the other day. I think I stopped up at what counters? DNO. Okay, I stopped at DNO. This one probably is the next one because very close with the S1 already, the support 1 level. If let's say break below, probably I'm just going to exit first. All right. SolarWest still holding, I think still fine based on this morning chart. The other one is Unique. Okay, Unique also yesterday touching S1 already, but luckily they push back up. Okay, but this morning I haven't checked yet. Okay, still about the same. Okay, hopefully will remain above S1. If let's say above S1, okay, personally for me, I think still quite fine. Okay, now like I say, some of the tech counters is also doing pullback. Worth to look into it. Like for example, Inari, even though they close a big gap, but looks like they are building the support already. Okay, around the 3 ringgit area. Okay, so some things that actually I watching so prefer we have a COC set up somewhere around here. Let's say a COC setup, then I think it's good to look for a low risk opportunities. Okay, the other one is Great Tech. I think UWC quite strong. They make some movement yesterday, but didn't follow until the end. Okay, let's try. Okay, so this is Great Tech. Great Tech yesterday come with high volume also on down bar. Okay, probably wait for them for a few more days to do sideways next week. Okay, so UWC. Let's try UWC. UWC try the R1 again. Today, still trying. Okay, but I'm not going to touch this one. Okay, because a bit risky right now. Market, so weak at this moment over here. Okay, now Plantation. Okay, because Plantation started to do pullbacks already. Is there any good opportunity? Okay, yesterday good closing for Jatiasa. Okay, still holding bar around the 40 MA. Okay, probably again next week we might see some support building around this level here. Okay, so let's say it started to build some support. I think okay. Because personally I haven't entered any Plantation stocks yet. I was waiting for the pullback. This is kind of like a deep pullback actually. So TH Plant after shooting star pullbacks. Okay, today up bar, but so far still morning but volume is not that great also. All right, I don't think this is a pullback complete signal yet. TSH. Okay, TSH yesterday green bar, surprise. Okay, actually I like TSH more right now. But let's see if let's say tested about 1.15, okay, I think it would be a great area for me to focus also. Okay, for TSH. Okay. So okay, any other that I miss up? Okay, or any stock you want me to look into, just let me know. Again, just a quick updates. Market remains to be a bit slow overall. Trade only when the setup is there. Okay, so this is personally what I do. So that's why I don't really go for lots of so-called stocks right now. Okay, based on this morning for my pullback list, I think I got 4. Let's just see EKD. I think the other day we checked already, right? But looks like not much of the setups. Okay, illiquid counters. Okay, now normal illiquid counters I will avoid, even though there's a pullback signal. Like for example here. Okay, because illiquid counter, one of the problem is that sometimes when the price goes sideways, it's very difficult for to sell. So that's why I avoid it. Okay. Hong Leong Hub Seng, this morning I think Hub Seng is one of the best one because they actually completed the shakeout also for Hub Seng. So here, okay, we got a shakeout. Oh, but today low volume. You can see no volume here. It's kind of similar like 2 days ago. I think SolarWest. Okay, or maybe yesterday or 2 days ago for Top Glove also. It ups below volume. So normally up below volume, it's not ready yet. Maybe it's not ready yet. Okay, so towards the end of the day, will drop. But doesn't mean they'll break below support, but just that not today. Okay, probably need to wait for a few more days. But overall, they actually built a nice support for Hub Seng. But Hub Seng always is a slow and steady type of counters. If you like those that are holding for mid to long term, I think this one quite suitable. Okay, now let's study the FA. Okay, FA for Hubsing is 6 out of 9 based on Prashowski F score. So okay lah, still boleh lah. For me, anything above 6 actually for me is considered a pretty good FA already. All right, TA wise, 6 out of 10. Okay, not too trending, but definitely not bearish. Okay, so now it's doing like a sideways reaccumulations type. Okay, so probably need to hold for what if you're interested. Okay, invest in Hubsing. Okay, I don't think I have any others really, unless you got any stocks you want to comment. Okay, so let's try the last one, SCGM. This one actually appeared for my list yesterday towards the closing. Okay, it's a reversal trades, but also overall no volume. Until now, no much of the transaction also. So, yeah lah, tak apa lah. Because usually this kind of counter, like I say, it's a bit difficult for me to exit. Okay, even I'm interested to enter. Okay, Charimi also coming from reversal. Okay, not much of the volume yet. Yesterday volume, I think one of the highest from reversal is Skyward. But Skyward, I think this morning continue goes up. Wow, okay. Maybe a bit similar as Sunmiden. Actually, I'm waiting for maybe a small down buy here. Okay, then we got an opportunity for low risk opportunity. Okay, but okay, a bit risky right now for me because it's kind of like close with this resistance. Okay, so sometimes afraid is that morning very bullish and they try to push, but towards the end of the day they drop back again. Okay, form a shooting star. Okay, towards the end. So all right, with this once again, thank you for joining me in this quick markets updates over here. So overall, I think yeah, markets still not too strong at this moment. KLCI forming an inverse pullback, something that I think we have to take notes. Well, hopefully, we will see a real reversal soon. All right. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you back to this live Facebook again tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow, but next week. Okay, next week morning. Thank you.